Hello friends, this is Run Trading John. Today I am going to show you most powerful strategy based on pivot reversals with support and resistance. First thing you must remember is the time frame. The best time frame to use this strategy is 5 minutes. Don't go above 5 minutes and don't go below 5 minutes. It has given best results for 5 minutes only, as I have backtested it for several months. Let's see how it works and how to take trades based on my strategy. I will explain now.
I will go through a few examples. Let's begin with October 14th and 15th charts. Now I'm explaining the 14th. Okay, how it works means these are like the support region. This is like resistance zone. Like they work as a pivot reversals. Once the market is coming down, it hits this level and it will go up. Or else, if this level is broken, then only it comes down. Or else it will go up. You understand? The same way this resistance works as a pivot reversal. Once the candle is reaching this level, and if it hits this level, it will reverse back. If it will go up only this top is broken by the green candle. These are the rules you should follow always. Now you can observe here from 14th in the morning. Since first candle it comes to this level and this region holds the candles inside. You see, there is a big fight between bulls and bears. You see, here you can see around after 12 o'clock there is a breakout. You might have taken trade here by putting stop at this low level, and you hold the trade till 2 o'clock. There is another breakout happen and it went up. From here you could earn around 900 points in one trade. The same scenario you can observe for the next day. You see, from the beginning there is a reason formed here, breakdown happen, it's trying to come down, but there is a reversal happen again. You might have taken trade here in the early morning. If you miss this opportunity to take trade, it will be around like 800 to 600, around 200 points. If you miss this 200 points, you might have taken trade here again. You can take trade here around after 23,800. You might have it stop loss by this reversal. You see, another reason happen as a resistance. You see, these regions will form automatically. You should remember that these regions form automatically. Usually professionals do draw such regions manually, and they follow these regions as reversals. So our strategy helps you to draw automatically, so you can follow them as per my rules. Now you see, if you took trade here, it is coming down and check back, like it is trying to come back and reverse to this level, tested this level and went back. As your stop loss will be here, always remember your stop loss will be above this region for sell trade. If you are taking buy, your stop loss will be below this region. If this region is wide, such around more than this region, like around 100 points or something, you can put stop loss as off of this region, like 50%. Okay, you can short here, and by putting stop loss this level, you see it tested this region again back and coming down, again tested the region back, and there is a breakdown happen. Close breakdown, you see this candle. So from here, if you could trade from since 10 o'clock, you can earn around 900 points again. Here you could earn around 900 points. 900 here, you see 700 points here. Here is 900 points. Even if you thought you have lost here 100 points, it doesn't matter. It won't bother you, right? This is how my strategy works. This is for 14 and 15 charts. Both are successful trades, 100% profits. You see, even you lost here like 1%, you might have earned here 9%. You see, from your capital. I will go for the next day. You see, it's on 21st. You see, market started by 9:15. It come to this level and breakdown happened. You took trade here, and by putting stop loss above this region, it didn't reach this level, means it didn't hit your stop loss. It tested this region's upper level and comes down, right? You put your stop loss this level. From here, if you took trade here around 24,750. If you think you can exit your trade this level in this region, another region formed here, you see. You can even hold this trade if you want by trailing your stop loss, means shifting your stop loss as to this level. Okay, around if you could able to study this strategy good, then you can exit your trade at this level. So you can earn around 24,750, around 500 points you could earn. Again, this is another reversal, so you can trigger buy trade here by putting stop loss level from here to here. If you think from here to here, if you want to grab all the reversals, this strategy helps you very well. From here 24,350 to 24,700, one more 350 points it has given here, 500 points and 350 points. Could earn here 850 points with one lot of quantity. But the same scenario for the 22nd. You see from here it is trying to come down, but it didn't come up. You don't take trade till it comes to this region. You take trade only the market comes to these regions, upper region or lower regions. Wait for the reversals. Okay, these are like very powerful pivot reversals, upper level and lower level. Okay, once these regions broken, then go for short here. Once this region is breakout, broke out, go for buy here by putting stop this level. You see market comes to this level, so trigger buy here. You see on 22nd. From here, if you trigger buy here by putting stop loss here, 24,300 to 24,200 points you could get here. You will remain in the profit side. You can use any other strategies to grab these moves also. I have those strategies also. If you want, I can share you. I'm providing these strategies for my paid subscribers. If you want, I can share you. If you want to be my paid subscriber, you can contact me. Okay. From here, you could earn 200 points. You see how well it is working. Many professionals to draw such lines manually. You can follow this strategy blindly. You can make money equivalent to those people. No need to worry. You can recover all your losses. You see from 23, from the top market, there is a, you see from the beginning, green candle you can observe, and big form as there is a huge selling. You can observe here. See selling pressure you can observe as it is the resistance zone. You can sell here by putting stop loss above this level. You can grab all them. If you enter here 24,700, you can exit here in the evening. 24,000, even in this range bound, you can earn 200 and 300 points. See the same scenario for the next day. It comes to this level. It got broken at this point. Means here you see this region is trying to filter the market, filter the candles, and trying to form the region. You can take trade once this region is got broken here. You can take trade here by putting stop loss this level. You can take trade, you can extend this level as you can take trade here by putting stop loss half of this region. Like this is like huge, like 100 points. You can put like 70-80 points. Or else if you can take more risk, you can put your stop loss above this level and can hold your trade, and you can exit trade here this level. You see this level, and once this breakout happen, you can take buy trade, and you can earn like 100 and 150 points here again in the evening. You can go for a short here once this low level is broken, but it didn't happen, right? Let's go for next. On 27th, you see market started and come to this level. It's like it comes to this level and bouncing back, right? The same scenario like day before yesterday, means day before means previous charts I have showed you. From this level it went up to this level. It works as a resistance. You see from here, if you put trade here by putting stop loss this level 23,900, if you enter the trade here 24,100, and your stop loss will be 2400. 2400 or 23950 or something. If you entered here, as it broken this level, means this support level it is broken, you can hold your trade up to here. You see 24800, at least you can earn here 600 points. For the next day 28th, market initially made some red candle and tried to go up and reverse it from this region. You can immediately, once this wick touched this region, you can immediately go for short once you have seen this red candle after the green candle. Don't go for short if there is a red candle. Okay, if you be a safe trader, you can go short here by looking at this huge red candle. You see this interval is 100 points, not like 40-50. You should observe that this much candle can give you 100 points. This candle can be 80-90 points. You can go short here by putting stop loss this level, this region. It retested this level and came down. Again another region formed. You can exit your trade this region and you can go for short here. You got hit stop loss here in the evening. You might have exit your trade. You may lose around like 30-40 or 50-60 points, not more than that. So like consecutive 4 days profits and hitting one stop loss, it won't bother you much. You see the next day I'm going normal. It is like October 29th. You see here market started here. It got reversed at this area. You took trade here short by putting stop loss here. Got hit stop loss, no problem. Again you must re-enter once this low is broken. You got re-entered here by putting stop loss this level. It got reversed again. You might have exited your trade once you see this kind of reversals, or you can shift your stop loss as trailing stop loss, and you can pick these profits also to minimize your risk, to maximize your profits. And again you can re-enter your you see, and this is the next day, not 29, this is 30. You see from here to 30th, initially it is red candle and it's trying to go up. It started reversing back. You see this is the red candle. You go for short here also you go for short here at this area. You shouldn't take if there is a green candle. You should go for the short here. If you are a safe trader, you go for the trade once this region got broken completely. You go short here. If you are a risky trader, you can take short here by putting stop loss this level. If you take short here, you could put your stop loss as 50% of this level, above this level. Above this level is a bit better to avoid hitting stop losses. From here you can earn even 24 to 182 around this area. You could exit your trade 23 around. It has given 400 or 500 points. It has given. Again you can take trade here by putting stop loss 50% of this level. You can exit here as per your product resistance. I will show you one more. Here you see from this area it got reversed, market got reversed. You see the red candle happened. You can take trade here by putting stop loss this half of this region, 50% of this region, or else you can put stop loss this above this wick. There is no much distance, right? You can take trade here. Even you market got reversed here, you might not lose that much. You can earn in the next trade itself. You see there is a range bound. You see, even though you can take trade here and can earn profits. You see on the 13th, this is like November 13th, day before yesterday. You see initially it made like a huge red candle and it come to this region and bounced back. You see such scenarios are very repeatedly happening. You see how good is strategy you can understand by these reversals. You see 85-90% results you can get. I think more than 90% I guess. As this is reversals repeatedly you can observe in Bank Nifty. You see here, if you see this breakout, if I miss the trade you can trade even. You can take the trade even here. If you initiated your trade here, you could put stop loss this area, like this upper area, middle of this area, the 50% of this area. You can hold the trade till the end. See guys, this is how my strategy works. I am giving these strategies, very powerful strategies, to my subscribers. they are all earning profits. Every day I'm sharing in my Telegram channel. If you want to recover all your losses, if you want to be a profitable trader, and if you want to make money equivalent to professionals, please reach me. You can reach me through Telegram. Okay, please ping me in Telegram and follow my channel and subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you guys. Thank you. Have a nice time. Happy trading.